How to install and access ESPN on Apple TV. Step number 1, ensure internet connectivity. Verify that your Apple TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step number 2, access the App Store. From the Apple TV home screen, select the App Store icon. Step number 3, search for the ESPN app. In the App Store, navigate to the search function. Type ESPN into the search bar and locate the ESPN app in the results. Step number 4, download and install the ESPN app. Select the ESPN app from the search results. Click the Get button to download and install the app on your Apple TV. Step number 5, open the ESPN app. After installation, return to the home screen and launch the ESPN app. Step number 6, log in or subscribe. If you have an existing ESPN account, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one or subscribe to ESPN+. Step number 7, access ESPN content. Within the app, navigate to live sports, shows, or ESPN Plus exclusive to start watching.